good look. But you can look up in here and see kind of underneath there. These Diablos, and I'm not sure if it was like this on previous ones, but they've got 2 shocks per A-arm in the back, which is really neat. There you get a good shot of AC compressor and transaxle, but then everything's pretty much, it's just under, you know, air deflectors. So there's the battery right there. There's a good shot. This is my first time underneath the car, so I'm seeing it at the same time you are. Everything's just kind of underneath these, they're not even really panels. That's I guess the bottom of the passenger compartment. Now there's panels right here, but some of this stuff doesn't come off. Drive shaft, transaxle, transmission, oil pan. Let's get up into this front. It's got a little hose for probably condenser, AC. This is the front differential, because this is an all-wheel drive car. There's the front A-arm, another front A-arm, horns, lights. So you can see, you know, there's just certain things that are they're kind of just not plugged in, like the driving lights, fog lights, turn signals. But this entire area right here has been rebuilt. And man, I mean, I can't tell the difference between it and anything else on this car. So he did a phenomenal job doing it. Again, underneath, like I said, I can't see. I mean, if I were looking at this, there's not a single thing here that I could see that would show damage that's not normal or, you know, that's not on the rest of the car. So you got a little bit of something going on there, like it rubbed maybe on a jack or something when somebody jacked it up. Well, you got the same thing over here, but everything looks the same. All the welds look the same. I mean, essentially this is a brand new car. Kind of see up into that spaghetti of stuff. So that's interesting. We're gonna have to kind of figure out what's going on with the brakes. Main thing too is the shocks. Like, I don't know if this is a hydraulic, electrical over hydraulic system, but it doesn't, there's no ride control right now, so we got to fix that. Again, back here, everything just looks good. I mean, that looks a little rusted, but nothing major. It's just surface rust. Man, I never thought I'd be underneath the Lamborghini. All right. So on the next video, we're going to dig into this and try to get everything kind of put back together, get it working good, get it driving good. It drives really, I mean, it runs and drives really well right now, except for the kind of the brake issue that I'm having. And then putting all the different panels and things like that on it. I've got to put the wing on it, do all that stuff. But it'll be ready fairly soon for sale. So stay tuned, watch the next video, and I'll give you an update and maybe even give you a test ride in it, hopefully very, very soon. So as always, crack is whack, God is good, and we've got an epic car on Epic Cars. See you next time.